Carson, Vic-Roy. I know everyone is preparing for this Arctic front headed our way. I know a lot of people who, have that job throughout the week waiting till Saturday to get started and prep their home. But you're saying that this front is speeding up in its arrival time.
Yeah, it's moving through quickly. Yeah. So Sunday, it's going to be pretty miserable outside. We might get above freezing Sunday afternoon.
Maybe.
But yeah, that's a big maybe. But it's going to get cold. We also have precipitation moving in Sunday night. So here is the stretch we're going to be faced with below freezing. It could be 87 hours, folks. That's longer than 3 days for our northwestern counties. I don't expect us to get above freezing on Sunday when we drop below freezing tomorrow evening. 62 hours for Tyler and Longview, Nacogdoches, Henderson, Lufkin. It'll be over 2 days, but I do think either Tuesday or Wednesday we will warm above freezing there. So these temperatures, you might think they're chilly, but they're going to be laughing at you as we move into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning. It's comfortable, upper 30s, lower 40s. So if you have a jacket and need to get out this evening, I would do that before Sunday arrives, because Sunday is just not going to be a great day to be out and about. Winds have died down now, sustained winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as a result, the National Weather Service has elected to cancel that wind advisory. 30 degrees tonight, a few passing clouds. Colder to the north tomorrow. That's because the Arctic air will move in earlier in the afternoon. It'll be warmer in Deep East Texas with highs in the 60s, but they'll get the Arctic front tomorrow night. So here's satellite and radar. Not a lot going on across the Lone Star State. One storm system has moved out. Another storm system has begun to move into the Rockies. There's your Arctic front. We've got some snow and we've got some very cold temperatures to our north. So here's what's going to happen with Futurecast. This is a new model run. I just checked it out. It is trending a little warmer for Monday. Let me show you this. Early tomorrow morning, it's going to be cold. There's no doubt about that. Arctic front moves through on Saturday, but Sunday morning, still in the teens and 20s. Sunday afternoon, temperatures might get to freezing. This is 8 o'clock. Note how close we are to freezing across the area. Upper 20s to the north, 31, 32 degrees, and a little warmer in our eastern counties with how shallow that air mass is. But as we move into Monday morning at 9 o'clock, watch what happens to the temperatures. We're down into the 20s. It's staying rain, though, for a chunk of Deep East Texas where those temperatures will be at or just above freezing. But with these temperatures, it does look like we'd have a mixture of freezing rain and sleet early Monday morning with a change over to snow along the Red River. We're still seeing some light sleet through 3 o'clock Monday, and then this does progress off to the east, and then we get cold Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. Let's go ahead and talk about what we are going to see as far as that precipitation goes. Since models have trended a little warmer, especially Sunday night, mostly freezing rain in Deep East Texas, and I bumped that up to the north just a little bit to include places like Henderson and Carthage. It's mostly sleet for Tyler, Longview, and Marshall, and then mostly snow further off to the north. Again, a few degrees in either direction can completely change this, so you'll want to stay tuned to the latest updates, but just based on the data we have at our disposal right now, that's going to be the best bet. But over the next 7 days, it will be comfortable tomorrow, upper 50s, lower 60s, and then the front's going to completely undo that. We only get to 35 Sunday, light wintry mix Monday, and then a hard freeze both Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. And then as we look at Deep East Texas, we are going to see a wintry mix Monday morning, and then most of that will move out and we'll be left with those very cold temperatures Tuesday and Wednesday. Casey?